Right, now we can go the other way. We can take a graph and we can determine the parabola based on that graph. So we need to start with the kind of the standard form for factored form. So y is equal to a, right, our coefficient, x minus r, x minus s, where r and s are the zeros, the roots, the x-intercepts. So when we look at our graph, we have two very clear roots, -1 and 4. We have our vertex at some point, 1.5-ish and 19-ish. Not quite sure. So we need to figure out. Oh, we have a y-intercept too. That's handy. At 0, 12. So we've got a few points to work with. So let's plug in what we know. Let's plug in our roots, r and s. Okay, we have a coefficient that we don't know yet. X minus a minus 1, x minus 4. We can rewrite that, simplify that just a smidgen. Right, so notice the sign on the two numbers right here. Here are opposite what they are on the graph. Right, the root is at 4. This is minus 4. Here the root is at -1. Here we got that +1. Right, when we add those two numbers together, they have to equal 0. So they're going to be opposite signs. Now we need to figure out what a is. And to do that, we're going to grab a point from the graph. And we're not going to use one of the roots. Let's use our y-intercept because it's a nice number. So at the y-intercept, y is equal to 12. X is equal to 0, 0 plus 1, 0 minus 4. So we have 12 is equal to -4a. Divide both sides by -4. A is equal to -3. Well, it is negative, as kind of expected, right? Because the parabola is opening down. So we take that 3, take that value for a, take back over here. And we get our equation for the parabola as drawn. Y is equal to -3 multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 4.